So I've been seeing all over social media that there are these LED light therapy masks. Can you tell me a little bit about those and why they're so popular?
Absolutely. I love your question. The truth is, these are hyping on everything I scroll through, right? So let me ask you this. Do you know have you seen the original units?
No. Whoa, that's amazing. What is this?
Right? Oh my gosh. So this is where it actually started, right? These units are really, really nice because not only are they going to give you that service for your face, but they're nice because they cover your neck, décolleté. People get that therapy, throughout their body, and the panels are able to cover a larger area of space. So the nice thing about the portable LED mask is you can actually go home with one today. Try it out, right? So it is very versatile. You can go home, use it on your own time, and it gives you convenience. Whereas this is going to actually be used in a spa environment. This does give you the benefits of being able to cover the neck, the décolleté, larger areas over the body, whereas the mask just does your face. And we'll talk about a little bit of the differences between what does our bring to the table versus some of the other ones you might have seen on social media.
Yeah, I love the SkinAct one. It has a very cool look, and I know we're going to talk about this more, but that silicone, it's very flexible, whereas the other ones I've seen, they, you kind of look like you're like the Tin Man, very stiff on your face, and they plug into the wall, right? Whereas yours, SkinAct, is battery powered. So that also makes it even more convenient versus lugging around this beautiful lamp to different rooms of your house.
Absolutely. Definitely gives you convenience. It's versatile, portable, you name it. Again, they have their own pros and cons, and we'll definitely go over that for you. Now, for the first 5 using this code, you're going to actually have access to an exclusive discount just for you.
Yep, I think it's 10% off on anything on SkinAct site. So act now. And, always make sure to consult a professional when using any of these products. Safety first, always.
A quick mention, the discount code, it's not just for the LED therapy mask. You can use it across the site. So feel free to load up that shopping basket.
Amazing. Let's unbox it. Wow. Oh my goodness. I love how light this is already. Like, wow, you should not fall asleep in this. You use it for 10 minutes? But I feel like I could fall asleep in this thing. Also, the silicone is so nice and smooth. And the stars, I guess, are they stars? The pattern? It kind of looks like galactical a little bit. Okay, so this is the mask, and I'm going to trust you to turn it on. But one of the great features that we talked about is that it's battery powered and you don't have to plug it into a wall, which is amazing. You can bring it anywhere, really,
Absolutely.
and do it. So this is a little battery pack that you clip onto the side. It's a little magnet, makes it easy.
Do you not love how that just snaps on?
Such a satisfying sound. We just saw that it turned red. So when it's red, what does that mean?
So this is going to be the red light therapy for you. It's going to help with collagen production. It's going to help with fine lines. The really nice thing about this one, I'll try to hold it up in an angle where it kind of makes sense. You want to hold on to that side for me? As you tap on the other side for us, it's going to change to the blue. So I'm just going to turn it ever so slightly so you can see the blue.
It's beautiful.
So you're going to have the blue option for you. Now, the really nice thing about this one, again, as you're holding on to this, I'm just going to grab it and just show you. I'm just scrunching it right up.
You can fit that anywhere.
I could throw that in the side of my purse and be on the go, So that's what sets it apart. Remember we were talking earlier about social media and what's trending? Those hard shell masks, can't do that with.
I love how compact that is. You can put it anywhere.
There you go.
Bam.
That's smaller than my wallet. So when we were designing this, we really kept that in mind. We love some of the stuff we're seeing on social media, but these hard shell masks, you do need to be a little gentle with those. You couldn't just roll it right up and put it in your bag, right?
Yep.
If you're going to go on a trip, this is your buddy. Now, the really nice thing about this one, as you mentioned, that silicone material, we kept in mind, you know, as you're using this and, you know, if you want to go lie in bed or do something, you want to be comfortable. You don't want something hard up against your face. So even if you look at the eye caps.
Oh, they come out? Oh,
they come
amazing.
out. It's really nice because you're able to clean them. Right? These are what's making direct contact because they're keeping it from touching your skin up close. So these are nice because you can take them off and clean them, sanitize them, and so forth. Even though you're just using it for personal use, you still want to sanitize your products,
absolutely.
Right?
Okay, so this doesn't actually hit it doesn't rest on your skin.
So the eye caps kind of protect it because there's a buffer.
Right.
Almost like when you do light therapy, you wear the black shades. So this is almost, it protects from the light going to your eye.
Yeah.
That's what it, so that's why it's making direct contact. This will be up against your skin, and because it has that plastic material you see on the back, you're able to take a sanitizing wipe or alcohol wipe and just wipe it right down. You're not going to damage any of the lights on here.
Sounds so easy.
Yeah. I mean, this is one of those that's made to last. Like you could literally, as you see, I'm just popping that off of there, pulling off the other eye cap here for you. And I mean, you could roll this bad boy down as tightly as you need it to. You can wipe it down however you need. It's really made for that rough and tough use, if you say, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it'll last forever.
This definitely will. And then, you know, like we talked about that packaging, you know, it comes inclusive. The actual unit here, it comes with a charging cable for you. So as long as that's charged, you're not kind of, you know, at the end of the day, when you're going to do your light therapy and, you know, you think of it as like a spa moment for yourself, I don't want to be like close to the wall, like I got my cable and I'm kind of stuck to the wall. So it's nice that I could just completely walk away and still be, you know, go hang out in my recliner or something and actually enjoy it like somewhat of a spa experience.
Yes, and I love that you only have to charge that little battery as well. It's not like you're, you know, this is not going to be, the whole mask is not going to become unsanitary by lugging it around your house and plugging it in places. You can keep that in the nice box or a sanitary place and just plug in the battery.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Very nice that you pointed that out. Yeah, absolutely. You just need to charge this little boy right here.
Now that we have our light therapy mask, you can obviously see the difference between this and the LED Pro Wave light next to you.
This one right here.
I mean, the difference is amazing. I feel like technology has come so far with this mask compared to that light.
Absolutely, absolutely. Technology has definitely come a long way. Ease and convenience is a big thing right now, you know, time is of the essence. So yes, as much as I would love to go get a treatment done, I might not be able to make it to everyone regularly. Let's just be honest, you know, day-to-day life things happen, but the nice thing to be able to keep up with my skin regimen and so forth, having the versatility to be able to do that at home. Now, of course, remember when we talked earlier about the pros and cons, this does cover just the face area. So whereas something like this, you can get your minutes in with your face, move it down to the décolleté, the neck, and cover all of the areas so it's very even. So there's pros and cons. Nothing beats going to a professional to get it done, right? But we're human, we try our shortcuts and we try to get in what we can because we want to look youthful forever.
We have busy lives. I mean, we have to squeeze in our self-care whenever we can. So having an at-home option, I think, is so convenient and can really work with any lifestyle.